Welcome to BellyBreath. Let's begin this loving kindness meditation by finding a comfortable seated position. Keep your back straight, yet relaxed. Your hands resting gently on your knees or in your lap. Close your eyes softly. Now, take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. Breathe in deeply, filling your lungs with fresh air. And release any tension with each out-breath. Feel yourself arriving fully in this present moment, letting go of any worries or distractions. Bring your awareness to your heart center, the space within you where love and compassion reside. Imagine a warm, glowing light at your heart, radiating kindness and warmth. Let this light expand with each breath, filling your entire being with a sense of peace, love, and acceptance. Silently repeat the following phrases to yourself, allowing them to settle deeply within. May I be happy. May I be healthy. May I be safe. May I live with ease. With each repetition, feel the sincerity behind these words. Offer yourself kindness just as you would a dear friend. May I be happy. May I be healthy. May I be safe. May I live with ease. Now, bring to mind someone you love. A friend, family member, mentor, or even a pet. Picture their face in your mind's eye and imagine them surrounded by warmth and light. Extend the same heartfelt wishes to them. May you be happy. May you be healthy. May you be safe. May you live with ease. Feel your love radiating outward, surrounding them with warmth and compassion. Next, think of someone neutral in your life. Perhaps a coworker, a neighbor, or a stranger you pass on the street. Though you may not have a deep connection, recognize their shared humanity. Send them these same wishes. May you be happy. May you be healthy. May you be safe. May you live with ease. Feel your heart expanding, embracing those beyond your inner circle. Now, bring to mind someone you have difficulty with. Someone who challenges you. Without judgment, acknowledge any emotions that arise. Recognize that, like you, this person also seeks happiness and peace. Softly offer them the same words of loving kindness. May you be happy. May you be healthy. May you be safe. May you live with ease. Allow any tension or resentment to soften, even if just a little. You are not condoning their actions. You are freeing yourself from the burden of negative emotions. Now, let your awareness expand even further. Imagine your loving energy flowing outward, like ripples on a still lake, embracing your community, your country, and the entire world. Send these final wishes to all beings everywhere. May all beings be happy. May all beings be healthy. May all beings be safe. May all beings live with ease. Feel the interconnectedness of all life, knowing that your kindness has no limits. Take a deep breath in and a slow breath out. Rest in this feeling of warmth and peace for a few moments, allowing it to settle deep within you. When you're ready, gently bring awareness back to your breath. Slowly wiggle your fingers and toes. Softly open your eyes. Carry this sense of loving kindness with you throughout your day, sharing warmth, compassion, and positivity wherever you go.